7th CBSE Science chapter Nutrition in Plants. So in class 6th you learned that food is essential for all living organisms. So the carbohydrates, protein, fats, those are the components of the food. So these components are called as nutrients, and the process of absorption of these nutrients to the body is known as nutrition. So the process is nutrition and the components are known as nutrients. So the all living organism require food. Food is something or any substance which is required for the survival and for the nutritional support of the body. So even plants require food, and where the plants are said to be the producers because they have the ability to produce their own food or synthesis their own food with the help of some raw materials. There is a process called as photosynthesis, through which, that is, photo means light and synthesis means to produce or to create. So the ability of plants to produce its own food is known as autotrophic mode of nutrition. Auto means self and trophos means nourishment. Hence the plants are known as producers and autotrophs, and the animals mostly depend upon these plants for taking up of their nutritional support. Hence they are known as heterotrophs, that is, they are dependent upon another, that is plants, for consumption of their food. So all the other animals come under the category of consumers, they depend upon the plants for their meeting their food needs. Now the mode of nutrition in plants is said to be autotrophic nutrition, and the process through which they create their or synthesize their own food with the help of raw materials is called as photosynthesis. The word photosynthesis is made up of two words, photo and synthesis. So now we will be seeing that what are the raw materials that plants use for preparing their food. That is, the process of photosynthesis requires four major raw materials, that are carbon dioxide, chlorophyll, sunlight, and water. So now we'll see what is a cell. So as we all know, cell is the building blocks, or it's like the bricks of our body. So it's a basic structure and fundamental unit of our life. It is enclosed within a boundary called as cell membrane, and the control center or the command and control center of the cell is said to be nucleus, which is known as the brain of the cell. It is centrally located spherical structure. So this nucleus is surrounded by a jelly-like substance, cytoplasm. So in the cytoplasm, the entire living cell organelles have been embedded, like ribosome, Golgi apparatus, endoplasmic reticulum, mitochondria, the powerhouse of the cell, which helps in the production of ATP. So all these kind of other cell organelles are being embedded in the cytoplasm. So the cytoplasm along with the nucleus can together be called as protoplasm too. Now if we take a plant cell, the distinctive feature of the plant cell is that it has cell wall which gives the shape and rigid structure of the plant cell, and also there is a green pigment called chlorophyll which is produced by a cell organelle known as chloroplast. So chloroplast is present only in the plant cell, which has the ability to produce a green pigment called chlorophyll.